Hi guys, my name is Taizan. I'm from Japan. When I came here, I realized this is an amazing school. I can make a lot of friends, like international friends, and also it was really amazing environment and also really good manager. So that's why I'm really satisfied. Basically, we have to speak in English whole day, and also we have so many presentation. At that time, we have to communicate in English. So totally different from in Japan. It was challenging for me, but it's really good because we want to improve our speaking skill. If you want to improve your English skill, you should come here, especially in this school. It's really amazing environment, also really good teachers, also staffs. You should come here.